Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into tips and tricks to supercharge your computer's performance, making it up to 5 times faster. So first tip is to right-click on the Windows icon. Now locate Power Options and click on it. Now, navigate to Power Mode and select Best Performance to unlock your computer's full potential. Then close the page. Next, right-click on the Windows icon again and select Installed Apps. Now, click on the 3 dots next to each app and select Uninstall or Move to free up space in unnecessary apps. Then go back to the desktop screen. Next, head to the search bar and type Run, or use the shortcut, Windows plus R to quickly access the Run dialog box. Type in MSCONFIG and click on OK. Now move to Startup. Now click on Open Task Manager. Now, review the list to identify any apps you don't want to launch automatically when you start your computer. Then, go back to click on OK. Now go back to Run to return to the Run dialog box. Type temp and click OK to access the temporary files folder. Select all temporary files. Click Delete and kindly follow the prompts to free up valuable space. The next tip is to go back to Run to return to the Run dialog box. This time, type %temp% in the Run dialog box and click OK. Select all temporary files and folders. Delete all temporary files to remove clutter and recover valuable storage space. Now go back to the desktop screen. Click on Recycle Bin. Now empty Recycle Bin. Stay blessed. Peace out. Bye.